morning, Amma. Right. Yesterday, I am writing the miscellaneous exercise problem. At that one, it will be cut. The problem is the 12th problem, miscellaneous. And then we have to do the 10th and 11th also. So what is the important we have to be covered in this one. And then we go through the matrices. Already I tell. So inverse trigonometry functions, objectives, I will send videos, extra videos. Okay, na? Object inverse, everyone see. And those we are need candidates, not necessary to see. Those we are writing the KSET and a JEE examination. That candidate must be watch that videos. Any one day, I will main point. I will explain that one. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see the 12th problem is. Okay, na? Everyone see the 12th problem is. So 9 pi by 8, 9 pi by 8, prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sine inverse of 2 root 2 by 4. 2 root 2 by 4. Okay, na? Everyone take the left hand side of the problem and prove the right hand side. So immediately right hand side 9 by 4 is there. That's why 9 by 4 take common in the left hand side. First I am taking the left hand side of the problem. So 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sine inverse of 1 by 3. I am going to take a right hand side answer is 9 by 4 is outside. That's why take 9 by 4 is common. 9 by 4 is common. Here is the pi by 2 is remaining. Here is the sine inverse of 1 by 3 is remaining. So next one is 90 degrees formulas we have. Inverse degree property, sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. So both are same. Then its value is the 90 degrees. So already I will tell. So for property, next is tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x. So cosec, that is the cotangent. Cot means cotangent. Cot means cotangent. Okay, na? So that is also pi by 2 sec inverse x. Sec cosec is a cosec inverse x. So cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. These all are the terms. So now I am going to use. So pi by 2 minus sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse x. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse x by the known formula 9 by 4. Here write down. We know that here sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. You should be write down here. So now here is cos inverse of x place is the 1 by 3. But right hand side is the answer is, what is the answer in the right hand side is in terms of sine. So immediately I go to let it be as a let cos inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to x. 1 by 3 is equal to cos x. Write down the right angle triangle. Angle is x. So angle is x. Opposite side, adjacent side is the 1. Hypotenuse is the 3. Opposite side is 8 minus 9 minus 1. 8 root is the 2 root 2. Right. Now write down, convert this one. 9 by 4 in terms of sine x is. Sine x is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. So 2 root 2 by 3 cos inverse x in terms of sine inverse of. So this is the x. This is the x cos inverse 1 by 3. We are let it be as a x. What is the x value is sine inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. X place write down 9 by 4 of sine inverse of 2 root 2 is the 2 root 2 by 2 root 3, 2 root 2 by, sorry, here is the 2 root 2 by 3 is the required answer. Right, everyone correct on my right hand side is the 2 root 2 by 3 is the required answer. Is it clear, everyone? That is the RHS, write down RHS, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Right. Right, now I go through the one more problem. So where miscellaneous examples is important, where a miscellaneous exercise is important, there I will discuss. Okay, na? Not important means I will not discuss. All right, everyone see the 11th problem. Prove that tan inverse of, prove that tan inverse of tan inverse of root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equal to what? You have to show that 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse of x. Cos inverse of x. Okay, right? So already in this problem, hint also given. X place is take it as a cos 2 theta. Already given, hint is also given. So take left hand side of the problem. So next, take the tan inverse of 1 plus x minus 1 minus x by denominator is the 1 plus x plus root over 1 minus x. In this problem, let x is equal to cos 2 theta. Already we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta value is 2 cos square theta. We know that 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. We know that, right, substitute these values. So now we can write tan inverse of root of x place is the 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root over x place is the cos 2 theta by denominator is 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root over 1 minus cos 2 theta is the value. Okay, now write down tan inverse of root is the 2 cos square theta, root of 2 cos square theta minus root of 2 sin square theta by root of 2 cos square theta plus root of 2 sin square theta. Already root term is given. So when we write the positive, when we write the negative, already I will tell x is equal to 4. X square is equal to 4. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. But only root 4 is given. We can't write plus or minus, only plus 2 we can write. Okay, now here is the only root terms is there. So not x term is not there. Therefore, root 2 into cos theta positive value, root 2 sin theta positive value, by root 2 cos theta positive value plus root 2 sin theta is the positive value. Take root 2 is common and cancel them. Tan inverse of cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Right. Tan of A minus B formula one time recollect them. Tan of A minus B formula is tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B by denominator is a 1 plus tan A into tan B. 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay, now for 1 is needed. 1 is needed means denominator cos place is the 1 needed. Immediately divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Okay, na? Numerator, denominator, divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Divide with the numerator and denominator by cos theta, everyone. Then we get tan inverse of, so here is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Okay, now 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Now I will write 1 place is the 45 degree, tan inverse of 1 place is the tan 45 degree minus tan theta, denominator compulsory 1, next tan 45 no loss, tan 45 value is a 1 into tan theta no loss for us. Now it is in the formula of tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B, tan inverse of tan of A minus B 45 minus theta. So tan and tan inverse is cancelled. Pi by 4 minus theta. What is the theta value? See here. What is the theta value? Cos inverse x is equal to 2 theta. Cos inverse x is equal to 2 theta. X is equal to 1 by 2 times of cos inverse x. So pi by 4. Theta is 1 by 2 times of cos inverse x. Okay, na? 1 by 2 times of cos inverse x. This problem also completed. Last problem, I will check. Last problem. From this one, we are going to complete all the problems. Everyone see from this one. Right. Everyone see. I go through the inverse trigonometry last problem. What is the problem? Is 16th problem. Solve sine inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Solve means find x value. Solve means find x value. X value is required. Okay, na? X value is required. That's why I'm going to first negative term bring on the right hand side. So sine inverse of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x. Okay, one part is completed. This sine inverse bring on the right side. So 1 minus x is equal to sine of pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x plus 2 sine inverse x 90 plus theta. Okay, na? 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta should be remembered. 90 plus theta is the second quadrant. Name is changes. Sign is positive in the second quadrant. 1 minus x is equal to name changes cos of remaining angle is the 2 sine inverse x. Remaining angle is the 2 sine inverse x. Okay, na? So 90 plus theta, second quadrant, sine is positive, 90, name changes to cos, remaining angle is the 2 sine inverse x. It is in the form of cos 2 theta. It is in the form of cos 2 theta. In terms of sine formula is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Write down this formula. That is 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta places the sine inverse x. Theta places the sine and sine in first one. 1 cancel. Minus x is equal to minus 2 sine of sine inverse x, its whole square. So sine and sine inverse is cancelled. Minus should be cancelled. X is equal to 2 x square. Right. Take 2x is common. X 2x square minus x is equal to 0. X common. So x 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to either 0 or 1 by 2. 0 satisfied or not satisfied? See, x place is the 0. Sine inverse 1 is the 90. X place is the 0. It is the 0. Therefore, 90 we are getting. Okay, na? Therefore, half also satisfied. 1 minus 1 by 2 is the 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2 is the 30 degrees. So sine inverse 1 by 2 is the what is the value is here? So here is minus, here is, see the here is, so 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is sine inverse of 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse of x place is the 1 by 2, 30 degrees minus 60 degrees. So minus 30 degrees, but right side is a 90 degrees. 1 by 2 is not satisfied. Only one value is satisfied. What is that value is satisfied by 0? X is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 2 is rejected. One by 2 is not satisfied. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is the 30 degree. Minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 is 30 into 2 is the 60 degrees. We are getting minus 30 degrees, but right side is the 90 degrees. Therefore, failed. 1 by 2 is failed, rejected. So this is the sine square theta means what is the correct representation is sine theta whole square. That means sine theta is the 2 times multiplication. Sine square theta means sine theta into sine theta. So a into a, how can you write? A into a is the a square. Okay, na? A square means a whole square. Point is understand? Right, clear everyone? From this one, if a miscellaneous inverse trigonometry, what is the needed inverse miscellaneous examples? What is the needed miscellaneous exercise problems? I am going to complete it. So next, I will start the third topic is the matrices. Everyone put the heading is the matrices. Everyone put the heading is the matrices. Next, we discuss about the determinants. Okay, na? First, third one topic is the matrices. Fourth one is the determinant. That is the given. I will see one time the matrices and the yes. Third topic is the matrices. Fourth topic is the determinants. Okay, na? What is the matrices? What is the matrices? Matrices is the nothing. It is a just a straight line concept. They are going to convert into the matrices. What is the straight line concept is? I will draw 3 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. 2 vertical lines. Point of intersection is the 1, 2, 3. 3 point of intersection. Here also 3 point of intersections. Okay, na? 3 point of intersection. So in this place, here is the P1 name, here is the P2 name, here is the P3 name, here is the P4 name, here is the P5, 0.5, 0.6. Now replace these lines. Now replace this line. What we are getting is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. This is called as a matrices. Indirectly, straight lines concept, they are going to give a point of intersection as a point, that is called matrices. Therefore, matrices is the all the real numbers should be represented in a rectangular form in the closed bracket of the square bracket. Rectangular form of the square bracket. Rectangular form of the square bracket. So P1, P2, P3 the point of intersection of the 3 horizontal line and 2 vertical line. Therefore, P1, P4 form of the first horizontal line, P2, P5 form on the second horizontal line, P3, P6 form on the third horizontal line. So number of horizontal lines are 3. Number of horizontal lines are 3. How many vertical lines? 1 vertical line and 2 vertical line. 3 by 2 is called as a order. 3 by 2 is called as a order. So now the point is understand. So straight line concept, they are going to convert it into the matrices concept. 3 horizontal lines, 2 vertical lines are intersecting points. That intersect line C is rubbed. We are going to rub the line. Then it will form as a P1, P4 is the first line point of intersection. P2, P3 is the second line point of intersection. P3, P6 is the third line point of intersection. That means in the points of intersection means these are the common point. It lies on the horizontal line and it lies on the vertical line. It lies on the horizontal line and it lies on the vertical line. Therefore, P11 is the first line, lies on the first line and first vertical line. P12 is the lies on P11. P14 it lies on the first line and fourth second line. So P2 I will write lies on the first line, first horizontal line, second vertical line. So first line, first point, first line, second point, first line, first point, first line, second point. Next, second line, first point, second line, first point, second line, second point, second line, second point, and third line, first point, and third line, second point. Third line, second point. Okay, na? So it lies on the third line and first third horizontal line and first vertical line. It lies on the third horizontal line, second vertical line. Okay, na? So simply we read it as a. So now the general, this is clear now. This is called order. How many lines are there? 3 horizontal line and 2 vertical line. This is called as a order. This is called as a order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. So how many straight line? How many vertical lines? So horizontal lines are 3 and vertical lines are 2. Therefore 3 by 2 order. it form by the lines of 3 by 2. That is the order. Next one. So the what is the P11, P12, P13 is the real numbers. Point of intersection is the real numbers. Okay, na? Therefore, here is the real numbers are arranged in a rectangular form in the closed bracket or square bracket is called as a matrices. This point is clear na? How many horizontal line? How many vertical line? 3 horizontal line, 2 vertical line. Reading as a 3 by 2, writing as a into. So this is by 3 by, but writing is a multiplication, but reading is a by 3 by 2 order. So 3 horizontal line, 2 vertical lines. Okay, clear everyone? Right. The matrices are represented by capital letter. This is the symbol of the matrices. Symbol of matrices. Symbol of matrices. The symbol of the matrices is represented by capital letter. Elements are represented by small letters. Okay, na? A11 mean first line, first line, first point. A12 mean first line, second point. A13 mean first line, third point, and so on. A1n mean first line, nth point. So A21, first second line, first point, second line, second point, second line, third point, and so on. A to n, second line, nth point. I will write AM1, mth line, first point, mth line, second point, mth line, third point, and so on. Mth line, n point. Therefore, how many horizontal line? How many vertical line? So horizontal lines are m, horizontal lines are m, and vertical lines are n. Therefore, m by n is the order. This is called general representation of the matrices. This is called general representation of the matrices. Okay, na? Matrices are symbol. A capital A is the symbol of the matrices. Element numbers are element are represented by small letters. Okay, na? A11 means understand, amma? First line, first point. A12 means first line, second point. First line, first point. First line, second point. Second line, first point. So these are the representations. Okay, na? M horizontal lines, n vertical line. Therefore, reading of the order is m by n. This is simply represented by, so capital A is the symbol of the matrices. So elements are numbers are represented by small a. How many horizontal line I? How many vertical lines is a j? So Aij means A is in the ith row, jth number, ith row and jth column. So this is the m by n order. M by n order. This is the position of the, so first row, that is the ith row, jth element. Ith row, jth element. A12 mean first row, second element. A33 mean second row, third element. Second row, third element. This point is clear, Nama? This is the position of the element. This is the order of the matrices. This is the position. Already written, position is the P11 means first line, first point. First line, second point. P21, second line, first point. P22, second line, second point. P31, third line, first point. 32, third line, second point. Position Ij is indicating the position of the point, but P31 means third line, first point. Okay, na? Third line, first point. Therefore, Ij representing the position of the point. Its order is m. M horizontal line. Sir, cannot getting. Sir, please repeat. Yes, see, Lema. Here is general representation. General representation is See, general representation A11 first